Now, the topic is finding rational number between two given numbers. Suppose A and B are two given numbers. Then a rational number between A and B is obtained by adding A and B and dividing it by 2. So a rational number between A and B is given by A plus B upon 2. Now question number 1. Find a rational number. Find a rational number between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2. So this is a very easy question. First, what we will do is we will add 1 and 2 and then divide it by 2. This will give us 3 upon 2. So a rational number between 1 and 2 is 3 by 2. Question number 2. Find two rational numbers between -2 and -1. So again, first we will add -2 and -1 and then divide them by 2. This is equal to -2. First we will solve the value inside the square bracket. Plus into minus is minus. Divide by 2. -2 -1, same sign add, so this will give you -3. And when this division sign is replaced by a multiplication sign, and the value written to the right of the division sign is reciprocal, so this will become 1 upon 2. So this is equal to -3 upon 2. So a rational number between -2 and -1 is -3 upon 2. But in this question we need to calculate two rational numbers. So now we will calculate one more rational number between -3 upon 2 and -1. So again, first I am adding -3 upon 2 with -1, and then we will divide them by 2. So first solve the value inside the square bracket. This is -3 upon 2. Positive into negative will give you negative. Divided by 2. Now take LCM. On taking LCM, we will get 2 in the denominator, and on solving it we will get -3 minus 2 divided by 2. This will give us -5 upon 2. And now we will remove this division sign by multiplication sign. So this 2 will get reciprocal. It will become 1 upon 2. This is equal to -5 upon 4. So now we can write that rational number, two rational number between -2 and -1. So the first rational between -2 and -1 was -3 upon 2. This I have written over here. And second rational between -3 upon 2 and -1 was -5 upon 4. So these are the -3 upon 2 and -5 upon 4 are two rationals between -2 and -1. Now question number 3 is find four rational numbers between 6 and 7. Now in this question, we need to calculate 4 rational number between 6 and 7. Now, if we attempt this question by the previous method, that is adding these two and dividing by 2, it will take a lot of time. This means that we need to have an alternative method for solving this particular type of question. And the alternative method is like this. First, check whether the denominator of these two numbers are same or not. So over here, denominator of 6 is 1 as well as denominator of 7 is 1. Now, what is written over here? 4. So what we will do over here is, we will write 4 over here and we will add this 4 with 1. On adding 4 with 1, we will get 5. Now, I am copying this number 6 upon 1 over here. Now, I will multiply the numerator as well as the denominator by 5. Whatever is written over here, that will be multiplied in the numerator as well as in the denominator. This will give us 30 upon 5. In the same manner, now I will copy this 7 upon 1 over here and multiply the numerator as well as denominator by 5, and this will give us 7 5s are 35, 1 5s are 5. Now we can easily calculate 4 rational numbers between 30 upon 5 and 35 upon 5. This can be achieved in this manner. First I am writing 30 upon 5 and somewhere over here I am writing 35 upon 5. Now first rational number between 30 upon 5 and 35 upon 5 will be 31 upon 5. Second, 32 upon 5. Third, 33 upon 5. And fourth, 34 upon 5. So these are the 4 rational numbers between 6 and 7. Question number 4. Find 4 rational numbers between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. Now over here, there are 2 rationals, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. But this time, you can see that they are not having the same denominators. This time they are not having the same denominator. So our first priority is to make their denominators same. And this can be achieved by taking LCM of 3 and 2. So first I am writing over here solution. So LCM of 3 and 2. This will give us how much? 6. Now I am writing 1 upon 3 as it is. Then I have placed the multiplication sign. Then equal sign, and in the denominator I have written 6. Now the question is, with this 3, what should I multiply to get 6? So if 2 is multiplied by 3, this will give us 6. Now whatever is written in the denominator, same number will be written on the numerator, and 1 2s are 2. In the same manner, I am writing 1 upon 2 over here, then I am putting multiplication sign, then equal sign, and then again in the denominator I am writing this LCM. Now the question is, what number should be multiplied by 2 to get 6 over here? The number will be 3. So whatever number is written over here, same number will be written in the numerator. Multiply them, you will get 3 by 6. So now we will calculate 4 rational numbers between 2 upon 6 and 3 upon 6. Now we will calculate 4 rational number between 2 upon 6 and 3 upon 6. So what number is written over here? 4. So first thing is, write 4 and add this 4 with 1. How much we are getting? 5. Now this 2 upon 6 will be multiplied by 5 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So 2 5 5s are 10, 6 5s are 30. In the same manner, the other rational 3 upon 6 will be multiplied by 5 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. This will give us 15 and 6 5s are 30. Now we can easily find 4 rational numbers between 10 upon 30 and 15 upon 30. In the next line, I am writing over here 10 upon 30. And then I will give some space. After giving some space, I am writing 15 upon 30. Now, we will find 4 rational between 10 upon 30 and 15 upon 30. So, the first rational will be 11 upon 30. Second will be 12 upon 30. Third will be 13 upon 30. And the fourth rational will be 14 upon 30. So, in this way, we have calculated 4 rational numbers between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2.